Welcome to the NinjaTrader Quick Start Guide. In this video example, we're just going to go through a very basic example of setting up an instrument, getting some market data, and then submitting an order that will subsequently submit a stop loss and profit target orders for us automatically. This assumes that you are connected to your feed or broker of choice. I happen to be connected to the NinjaTrader simulation feed, which is an internally generated data feed for doing any type of testing. First thing you want to do from the Control Center window is select the Tools menu and then select the Instrument Manager. Once the Instrument Manager is up, you may find that you already have a bunch of instruments listed on the left side. If you do, there's probably no reason for you to do what I'm about to do here. However, definitely pay attention, because what I'm about to show you is how you go ahead and define and add instruments that you're going to trade with. I'm going to select Future under the Type option, press the Search button, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the ES contract, which is the S&P E-mini. I will then move down to the bottom. The exchange is already set to Globex, and the expiration is set to 0905, which is the current front month. Depending on what time frame you're looking at this video, the front month may be sometime in the future from September 2005, so you're going to want to set the expiration date to whatever the front month happens to be. I will then press the left arrow button, and you will see that the instrument has been added to the instrument list here on the left side of the Instrument Manager. I'll go ahead and press OK to close the Instrument Manager, and I will then go back to the Control Center, File menu, New, and I'll select Superdome window. And the Superdome window is created, and I can go ahead and now select the instrument that I had just added, which is the ES 0905 contract. And you will notice that we've got market data running, and here where it shows a green box with the number 1, that actually shows me my current account position size for this contract. So I actually do have a position left over from a previous session. I'm just going to go ahead and press the close button, which will flatten this account in instrument combination.
Order filled.
Okay, next thing I want to do is select Custom from the Strategy Control list. By default, I already have one target selected. What this basically means is that NinjaTrader will submit a stop and a target for me once the initial entry order is filled. You can also have NinjaTrader submit either 2 stops and targets or 3 stops and targets. I'm now going to set my stop loss value to 6 ticks, and I will do the same for the profit target. What this means is, once my order is filled, that's the entry order, whatever the average entry price for that order, the stop loss is going to be submitted 6 ticks from that entry, and as well the profit target will be submitted 6 ticks from that entry as well. I'm now going to enter the position by simply pressing the Market Buy button, which will submit a market order for one contract.
Order filled.
And you should see now that we've got a couple of things here. We've got a red row, which represents the stop loss, and a green row, which represents the profit target. You'll notice where my mouse is now, that displays the current open profit loss.
Order canceled.
And what just happened is the market came down, took out the stop loss, and for those of you who may have missed that, you might have noticed that the profit target was also canceled. Now, it's an important feature. NinjaTrader does submit your stop loss and profit target orders as OCO, which stands for One Cancels Other. This means that if one of your orders is either filled or canceled, the other one will automatically be canceled. I'm going to go through this demonstration again and press the Market Buy button. And what I need to do first is set the stop loss values. So let me go back and set them both as 6 ticks, or the stop loss is 6 ticks, and the profit target is 6 ticks. Let me center my price. So if you see where my mouse is hovering, I'm going to press on the letter C, which will recenter the Superdome pricing in the ladder. I will press the Market Buy button,
Order filled.
and I have again my stop loss, which is a red row, and the profit target, which is a green row. I'm going to quickly just adjust my profit target out of the way just in case I get filled. I also want to show you that the brown cell represents the average entry price for your order. And finally, the green box with the number 1, that is the current position size. And I may have mentioned, but I'll say this again, the open profit and loss is displayed here. It's where my mouse is hovering. You can actually click on that cell.
Target order canceled.
Oh, looks like I got filled with a couple of points in profit. What I was going to say is you can actually click on that cell and you can change the profit and loss display from, oh, forgot to set my properties again.
Order filled.
Okay, right now we're seeing profit and loss in points. If I click on it, I'll see it in currency. If I click it on again, I will see it in percent. And that was the brief overview for the Quick Start Guide. Thank you very much.
Order target filled.